Okumhlaka 4 March
Yeah.
2012. Ngo-8 ekuseni.
Yeah.
Ngithole i-email kuTembe NC at SABC ethi, "Hi Zandile, attached above is some of the work I have done and an example of how the gossip feature is going to sound like with a lot of Zulu, of course, which will make it more dramatic, fun and lovely. I look forward to hearing from you."
Imdloyo.
Ekade fonile by the way, esho ukuthi ufisa ukuzosakaza ukhosini. Ngangisafika nami because March 2012 kangade ngiqale towards the end of 2011. So waseyasho ukuthi
Wawafika e-station kodwa phela ngwanasa.
bese ngisho esikhundleni.
Esikhundleni yeah.
Kade ku-producer
Yeah.
waseyangithinta kade ngihlangane naye. Ngihlangana naye uBelon.
Sasikwi-party emnandi kabe emhlanga.
You know,
Yes.
wasele, wazisho ukuthi ubani
Yeah.
wenzani ngathi kazi ubalona njalo washo ukuthi kwesenye isiteshi angazi wenza igossip kanjani shuthi mayisezwa ukuthi sekushintshile sengiphethe inhlelo waseyafona ke ngasethi nayi kungalula ukuthi ngizwe mhlawumbe indlela osebenza ngayo khona ngizoza ukuthi ke nayo ke email isingena ke wayithumela ke yangena ke demo njengoba sihleze kushiya ukuthi enene fanele kuhlezi uthumela idemo uthumela ama demo awu3
What?
yeah
Okay.
yeah
Yeah, ake sizwe
Khona
ukuthi
idemo engayithumela.
ake siziyayi.
Oh my God.
Sasafuna ukuthi ayithini le demo.
Hawe maka.
Yala ngo-2012.
Hawu kahleni.
Awuthi ke sizwe.
Welcome to it once again, my beautiful people. Watch the buzz. It's Saturday morning, top 40 Southern Keys are on your radio once again. Now we have to get once you hear Lily, you know everything else has to stop. Tell mama you're about to clean later. Because Selby is about to break down the best news. I know it's been a hectic week. Matrix started writing their trial exams yesterday and Bakari and Max. I feel so sorry for them. How many of them are going to pass? Good luck, guys. Good luck. Just, break a leg. Anyway, let's get into this week's entertainment news. Uzimpiwe Dana has broken up with her husband. It's so sad. Was it a husband or boyfriend? No, boyfriend, yes. It's so sad, right? So, I don't like this in day. I don't like hearing stories like this. What the
hell?
I'm sure people like Open Lebiana are super excited. Apparently, it's a couple there, and a couple there, they're still gonna continue to be friends. I know what happens when the two couples become a friend. Anyway, Miss South Africa Obokang is
Hawu
for the 2011 Miss Universe pageant, which will be held on Monday, the 12th of September. I'm super excited now. I know who Miss South Africa is. There's no big about her, but I hope she brings some calm back home. Even if she doesn't. Anyway, Beyonce has been accused of faking the size of a baby bump at the Music Awards. What's all Beyonce was wearing a prosthetic baby bump to the awards ceremony. What's up, backstage? Well, we're backstage. Isn't just Miss has born. So I want to bump a faggy soon. So I very she is pregnant. But for the reason why I faggy and I bump.
I sound so stupid.
When she breaks the news, it becomes big and dramatic, and everybody gets happy for her. Which is really what? Even if I faggy little bump. So what? As my golden people would say. What do you say, honey? Say something.
Ay, bo.
She shuts up. Anyway.
you are nasty.